I'm showing you how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch full video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use application. And do keep in mind, this application you're going to need a subscription to even use it. So let's get that out of the way. But here you have the search option where you can pretty much search anything as it relates to the person you're looking for, and also the dating history, whatever the information you want on someone. Pretty much can search their name at the top here. Let's say if they're even popular, it's gonna much more easier for the AI to find that person for you or find information about that person for you. You also have the advanced option here where you do give more information as it relates to the person that you're looking for, whether it be a crush or something that someone that you have dated in the past. You can pretty much enter this information here, and it will even give the AI more information to find that person accurately for you. So the subscription is pretty much at the top here where you see premium. This is where you're going to get your subscription. They do not offer any free subscription or free trial, I should say. Here you have a weekly subscription, a monthly subscription, and a lifetime subscription. And do keep in mind, you won't be able to use the application unless you got a subscription. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And as you can see here, yeah, that's really it. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, see you in the next one.